Daddy. Gilamtan.
Sa puton.
Isapot si Daddy kay kuan gilamtan.
Nalaling yung order, oh.
Ito yung restroom. Then, hi guys! Yung room nilang dalawa.
We got our new room.
Yeah, this is Grisel's right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. We're like,
And then that's Yanni.
Mom, come here. Look, you can put the Legos in here.
Okay.
Mom, this one and that Aki's.
Oh yeah? Okay.
We are sharing. We're not fighting.
No fight, ha? Ayaw, itagak na yan. Ibutang na sa bed, hindi ni mo itagak, ha? Kuha, kikira. Ibutang ng bag ni mo, be, sa kili, diha.
Huh?
Kanay mong bag, ibutang sa kili para di ka masan. Ano sa skayan eh, kili rin yung iyong undan. Ana. Asa mag-bag ni mo yan?
This is your.
Ay, your room, your rooms are so pretty.
What? Who is that?